Hello everyone, this is Derek Darlington. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to end a test in Filmora. The Filmora video editor is one of the best video editing software for Windows and Mac. So it's quite very easy to use, particularly suitable for the video beginners. Anyway, now let's just get to the point. To end a test in Filmora, you need firstly just to enter a video file. Now just to find the file and then go to the import media to select the import media files to select a video file from your computer. Here I just select a video file called Fireworks in my computer. So after that, just drag the video file to the timeline. You could put it in any video tracks here. So for example, I just put it here. Now next to end test into Filmora, you could find the titles. One of the best reasons why people love using Filmora video editor is that it provides you with the tons of the innovative and amazing titles. You can just check, so there's lots of the titles, subtitles. You could just select any one of these according to your requirements. For example, like the titles, subtitles, and something else. On top of that, you could also just use the film stock, which will let you use unlimited titles, but this is the paid service. So if you need some more amazing titles, you could try to download and access the film stock. Yeah, so now here, let's just select one of these titles and drag it to the timeline. Please note you need to download the titles firstly and then drag it to the timeline. In terms of the video editing, it's very convenient to use the Filmora to cut, trim a video or end a test. For example, here you could just play this in the preview window. So to end the test, just double click this. You could enter your content. For example, here I just enter the Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Now after that, you could just also use some different test styles, as well as change the fonts and change the size or something else for the test. After that, just save it of the video. So after that, you could say the test will show up in the video. Let's try it again. So this is very crazy.